Hi, I'm Nanda and you're watching Codeurself Tech. Let's unbox the Asus VivoBook X512FA in this video. This is the box the laptop comes in, and let's explore what is inside the box. The laptop is wrapped by a cloth cover, and let's take the laptop out. The laptop looks so premium with matte grey finish. You get a user manual and leaflet with information about the initial boot up and physical overview of the laptop. You get a hard disk connector tool, and the image shows the instructions to connect the hard disk safely inside the laptop. Here you can see the hard disk connectors, ribbon wire and rubber holders, and let's keep this by a side. You get a small power adapter with Asus logo on it, and the power rating is. I hope now you can see it clearly, and the power rating is 19 volt 2.37 amps, which can deliver 45 watt of power output. You get a power card with 3-pin connector to connect the power adapter to the plug point. That's it, and these are the things you get out of the box. The Asus power adapter is so tiny at 6 into 5.5 centimeters in size. And when we compare the Xiaomi's 18 watt mobile adapter with Asus 45 watt power adapter, look how small it is. The power cable from the adapter is 180 centimeters in length, and the 3-pin power card is 90 centimeters in length. So you can connect the laptop by 270 centimeters away from the plug point, and the power adapter comes with 4mm connector pin to charge the laptop. Let's explore the key highlights of the laptop. The Asus VivoBook X512FA comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display with 8th generation Intel i3 processor with 256 GB of M.2 SSD, 37 watt-hour battery, and with 45 watt power adapter. To know much more about the laptop, you can watch the Asus VivoBook X512FA review video. You can find the review video link in the I button above and in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon to get more updates on technology every day. Stay motive and go ahead, my friends.